show you a few recipes how you can super easy incorporate the superfood into your daily lifestyle. Superfood might be something that you feel is out of your comfort zone. How do you even incorporate this easily into your lifestyle? If you're new here, this is a channel where I review local brands in South Africa that support conscious living. Video 2.0 on Good Life Organic. If you haven't seen video 1.0, you can see that. I'll put a link below. You get food and then you get super food. But some of you might think, what's superfood? A bit out of your comfort zone. What makes it so super is that it contains a large amount of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, enzymes, amino acids. Usually like food will have 2 or 3 of these parts in them, but when it comes to superfood, they can have up to like 12 of these nutritional minerals. First up is a banana steri stumpy. Do you remember steri stumpies when we were little? I was never allowed to eat them because of all the junk they put in steri stumpies. Today, I'm coming back with a vengeance. We're gonna make a super steri stumpy. Frozen nanas lucuma powder superfood. It is known as gold of the Incas. It has got loads of vitamin C in it. This is a sugar substitute. Maple syrup caramelly taste to it. It is delish. I put it in everything. We're gonna put in a tablespoon of the lucuma, organic cinnamon, also known as a superfood, super cocoa powder. This also has a bit of cinnamon cardamom in it, and maca. Maca is also superfood. A little bit of ice. I'm using a NutriBullet, but whatever blender you have for your steri stumpy. Taste. Oh, yum. So here we have our super steri stumpy. It tastes like a milkshake. Yum. Great. Next up, we have my carrot cake dessert, which I practically eat every day. It's so easy and it's so yummy. All you need is a grated carrot. We add our lucuma powder, put in about a tablespoon, and then again our super cocoa, a teaspoon about. Good Life Organic has this banana powder. What I just love about the banana powder is that it's organic bananas. So especially if you're traveling or you're out and you can't always get hold of organic bananas, you have it. And the powder form gives it like a porridge texture. A teaspoon chia seeds. I love using chia seeds when I'm using a lot of brain power. I find that these seeds give you a lot of energy. You can soak them overnight, they swell up, delicious. I'm usually just too impatient to wait for them to swell up, so I just put them into my carrot cake as is. Spoon of that, we mix. You see that it forms powdery consistency? I add just a little bit of water and that'll bring it all together. I love adding extra cinnamon. It just gives it that kick. Toasted pumpkin seed. So who would have ever thought that organic superfoods can be so super easy? With Good Life Organic, I will put all the links below. Super easy to incorporate into your lifestyle for just feeling uplifted and being the best, most super version of you.